Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Option Pit, your home for options education and trading. Thank you, all of you, for signing up to our boot camp, our courses. It's not on the events section yet, but it will be. We are going to do a broken trade repair class in November. The date is November 14th. Also, if any particular suggestions you might have for it, Mark and I will be happy to try to work those into the class. You have to send me a note at andrew@optionpit.com. So November 14th is the date for that. We're also going to do an intensive. The last boot camp is posted, Ian. Yep. And we're also going to do an intensive boot camp for December for volatility. If you go to Option Pit and you go to My Courses, right? It's right there, step 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are an Option Pit subscriber and you cannot see that, you let me know. Because, again, there still might be a couple people that we got to fix their permissions and stuff. All right? But there it is. I don't think we're on the event page yet. Nope, it's not. So mark your calendar for November 14th, broken trade repair class and position management. So it was our best boot camp ever by attendance. So Mark and I are pretty happy about that. Blog, TLT vol too cheap. Can't disagree with him on that. All right, so we were looking at some of this stuff yesterday in our pro chat. Still pretty darn volatile. Anyway, here's what I'm looking at right here, right? VXST 1729, October future. Can't quite get under the November, but it's trying really hard to do that. Volatility is at least softening up. We've had this huge rally in the oils. Today we got a rally in the financials. And I don't know why. Maybe China taking a week off from trading stocks and they're kind of back in business. The Chinese ETF is up, 4.5%. So we're kind of getting back to where we started, at least for the market, about right here. Whoops. Okay. Done it once. Sadness. Done it now. We're just trying to get back to that. Remember that little melt up we had a couple of weeks ago? That's kind of the next level that I'm looking at. We get up there, we see an 18 future in October. So for whatever the reason of China having a recession or something, it was awfully bad. And I don't know exactly what happened to change everything, but the price of oil is moving up again. I think we're getting close to $50 a barrel, 49.40, the short-term future. And all of a sudden, everything is right and rosy and cheery with the world. Go figure. Okay. One of the bigger things is some of those commodity panics we had just right around here. Stocks like Glencore, Freeport McMoran, having massive moves. Freeport today, stuff like so. Are the commodities poised to keep moving higher? I don't know. But I think, long term, they're still at pretty darn low levels. I mean, you're talking May, this product was $12. This is a Carl Icahn thing. And I think maybe some longer term, slightly bullish short vol positions could work in these commodities for a little bounce. I like buying volatility in the TLT. We have that on our strategy letter because of now we have new uncertainty around rates, which I guess the market likes. And as far as this, we've got earnings starting to come out. And I think what would be the volatility killer, of course, would be what? Decent earnings start to come out. We'll look for Alcoa early. And then we see how everything plays like that. But all of the let's just call them commodity sensitive country ETFs. Brazil at one point was trading what, $20? 20% rally from the lows. Still in nowheres really versus oil. I think all these are still very viable. Looking at selling, and PBR is basically, you know, the proxy for this, selling out of the money puts, ratio put spreads. Volatility is still high, and you can still create ratio put spreads to get you in at the bottom. So, you know, if you're not feeling totally go-go on the upside, that's the kind of stuff we want to look at today. We've probably been looking at that mostly in our chat room. It's hard to believe the rally, but then again, that's what we have. So I would still look. There's plenty of opportunity, and I think the commodities, stocks, and stuff like that kind of working out of the money because the volatility is still just, you know, it's still very, very high. It's not nosebleedy like it was, but still pretty darn high. All right, and with that, so again, if you have questions about our boot camp, if you have questions, or again, if you want a recording, we could talk to us about it. We could send you one, of course, for a fee. Also, sign up for look for our broken position management class coming November 14th. We're trying to sneak one in October, but we don't know if we have enough time. But look for more information from us. And with that, it looks like we just kind of have a global rally again. So whatever made everybody unhappy has gone away, at least for today. All right, everybody. Let's see how earnings season shapes everything up. Yum did start off not too great, though. I'll say that much. All right, bye-bye.